Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 18th of July. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now before I start with the reading, please note tarot card reading should only be used as a guide, hence only take what resonates, leave the rest. Now let's see what this week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Ace of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Seven of Wands. Person B has the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Star card. So either you or your person could be dealing with an Aquarius, or it could also mean that you believe that the other person is your wish fulfillment. Okay. Now what I see for you from the first row is with the Ace of Pentacles, you want to offer this one pentacle. You want to start small, but you eventually want to build on this relationship. But what you really have to do is you have to bring about a transformation, because till the time this transformation doesn't happen, you will not be able to go ahead and get what you are aiming for in this relationship. Till the time this transformation doesn't happen with the Seven of Wands, you will have a lot of stress and anxiety in this relationship. Now person B here has the Queen of Pentacles with the Nine of Pentacles. This means that this person is financially doing really well for themselves. They're quite independent, single energy, and that means a lot of people are vibing for their attention. They want to get closer to this person, okay? So they may have options around them as well. Now they also have the King of Cups energy, which means that this person has feelings for you, but with the King of Cups energy, the problem is that they are not very good in expressing their emotions. So you might feel that this person is not interested in you. Okay, now let's also see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see is the Knight of Cups, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Wands again. So with the two knights, okay, first the Knight energy is not a very stable energy. It rushes in and rushes out, okay. But with the Knight of Cups, this is comparatively better than the Knight of Wands, because with this person will rush in and at least express their feelings, okay. Now with the Wands energy, okay, this means that this person is looking for the physical pleasures. They have this childlike energy to start with, but eventually they want to rush in, have a good time, and then walk out, okay. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal also that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is clear quartz. Now this is a clear quartz. All right. Now the message here is, what is it that you do not understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and to have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within you and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture, get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. Now the message here from Archangel Michael, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.